In this video, I'm going to show you how to download code from Lovable. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, first step is to head on over to lovable.dev and sign into your account. Once you've done that, scroll down and then find which project code you'd like to download. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. Now, once we're here, we want to go ahead and pay our attention to the top right hand corner of the page. So we can see our user profile. We've got share, and to the right of the invite collaborator, we can go ahead and view your project on GitHub. So we can go ahead and click onto that. So I'm going to open up GitHub. Now you can connect your account or create an account, so you can come over to this page. Now, once we're here, you can see this is my Tiny Tails tracker. So to the right of this, we've got code. Just go ahead and click onto the green code. Drop down is going to appear, and then go ahead and click on download zip, and that's going to download your code as a zip file onto your PC. There it is there.